You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down this word that confuses a lot of people because it does have different pronunciations. So that designates somebody who operates in a submarine. It's also famous for being the name of a model of Rolex watches. If you're after more names of famous watches from Switzerland in particular, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation. In British English it is said as submariner, sub-ma-ra-na. The stress is on the ma syllable, submariner. Now in American English, the stress is rather on the E syllable, as in submariner, submariner. So you have two different pronunciations, submariner or submariner. Yes, both pronunciations are correct, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.